Hello everybody, this is the editor from Still Loading, and we're back with another JavaScript episode, and you can see the ball moving over here, you can see the code over here, but you're not really sure what it's doing. Well, let's break it down. The draw function makes it so that basically it repeats the code inside of it over and over and over and over and over again. So we've created variables up here, which is, if anybody has maths, then algebra, we've replaced x with 20, x equals 20. The ellipse has x as its x, so it would actually start there. See? And yeah, if we put the background there, that's what's not making it do something like this. Wait for it. It makes it not do something like that. Thankfully, we have it in there. So, also, the if statements. This is pretty much what this episode is more or less about. The if statements is if x, that's the variable up here, is 400. That means it's over there, right there. Then speed gets -5. Speed has 5 right now. That means it's moving at 5 pixels. Every time you see it kind of flash, it's moving. Well, basically it's like movie animating. You draw like one picture over and over and over and over again. This one is every time it moves 5 pixels, every picture. Whoops, that's not supposed to be there. I had that there just to remind myself. Anyway, we have something that wasn't supposed to happen. We have the if statement. The if statement is if something happens, this is the condition, then run this script. So these are all scripts, in case you didn't know. Speed equals -5. So basically it's making it go backwards because it's a negative number. If x equals 0, then speed gets 5. So that's what making it go forward and backwards and forwards and backwards. So this is basically telling the variable to get x plus speed, or you could do this. No, that's pretty much how you're going to do it. But if you decide to do another variable and you just want to make it move one way, you can do this. Let's have a rect, and we have it 200, 200, 50, 50. So if we have that there, and we're going to have to fill it with a color, fill with, say, black. Oh yeah, it should probably be in the draw loop too. Command X, Command V. So you see here, we have this, this, and this. So we have a rectangle there. It's nothing special, but if we do var expose gets 200 right now. 200 semicolon. We can replace this with expose. It won't work if you do var expose. I don't think. Let's try it. Yeah, right there. It's saying that var is another parameter. And so we can, at the end of this draw loop, we can do expose gets plus semicolon. So what basically that means is the expose is going to get +1, and apparently it's freezing right now because I did something wrong apparently, and the computer hates me, so it's freezing on me. Well, this is anyway, but you can see it's going to go slowly off the screen. If you do this code for yourself, it should. And since I had this all ready beforehand, this episode's much shorter. I hope you enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Goodbye.